What is up, everybody? So we are at this place called the Purple Lantern right behind me. We're joining them for lunch. They have some Vietnamese food, so excited to show you guys some of the main Vietnamese foods here in Hoi An. If you're ever in the area, definitely check these guys out. They are very highly rated.
Good afternoon, everybody. We're here at the Purple Lantern restaurant in the Ang Bang area of Hoi An, and we have with us the lovely owner. Her name is Na. She's going to take us along on a journey. She was born and raised in this area. She has some insider tips, and she cooks some really delicious food, guys. You have to come here if you're ever in Hoi An. But we're going to take you along this journey, and we're going to let you meet Na. We're also going to share some of the food that we eat that is typically Vietnamese, also kind of localized to the Hoi An region. So without further ado, we're going to let you meet Na.
Hello, hi everyone. I'm Na. I'm 36 years old. I'm the owner of Purple Lantern restaurant. This is our restaurant in Ang Bang village, and our restaurant for 4-generation restaurant, family-owned restaurant. First, the main recipe belong to our grandma. The second, my dad go to the market local market every morning to buy the stuff for the restaurant. The third one is me and sister and my younger brother working for the restaurant and for serving the customer. And the last one, my children raising here.
Now, what is your chef's name?
And
An.
so my name Anna, his name An.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Na and
Yeah, we
An.
know each other a long time before. So when we're not same age, but we know each other a long time. He live in the village too.
I see.
So
Okay.
He 15 experience cooking. In
Wow. He's a small guy, but big flavor.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, this one of the crispy pancake in English, and Vietnam we say bánh xèo. In Vietnam, 3 different places they cook different way. In the middle of Vietnam, we cook more crispy, like the yellow from turmeric powder. Yes. So we add a bit like water, turmeric powder, and douglas, and we put in the pan to make crispy. Yeah, it is the ingredient of our restaurant. Normally outside we put the shrimp on. With us, we peel the prawn and pork and stir fry with some onion and the carrot for more flavor. When you're wrapping, you feel a lot of things in your mouth. When you hear crispy, like xèo, we call bánh xèo. You see, in my pancake, a lot of topping inside, a lot of things inside. Normally, not many. Here, the white rose dumpling. Around here, maybe they make from tapioca powder and rice flour. And in the middle, the shrimp and pork mousse. This is the very popular dish in Hoi An. We call Hoi An specialty. Yeah, and this one only have one shop in Hoi An made for all the route of the restaurant in Hoi An. So now, how we cook is we put the steam. And now, so I show you how to do it. So I put in here, yeah, about in 5 minutes, yeah, cook this. Now I will tell you how to make the Hoi An specialty wonton. Firstly, we cut the pork to the small piece first. So I'm preparing 4 pieces of the full wonton. We need to be smaller. This one need like tender pork, lean pork, no need fat in here. And this one, depend to the restaurant, they will cook different ways. Some cook only shrimp, some cook with pork, but I do shrimp and pork. With our restaurant, we not cook already, so you can choose. You can with those pork or with those shrimp, what the way you like. I will cut the onion. The onion, and you don't need to cut the whole one. Just cut the one, just half of this one. Okay, just enough. Yeah, just normally people can cook this with some like capsicum or something, but we need the capsicum like a little bit Western flavor. The real Vietnamese flavor like the onion and tomato with what I think. Maybe someone think different way, but that's what I think.
We also prefer authentic.
Yes, and tomato we do the half one also. Okay, put together. Okay. So you need only 1 tiny piece of the garlic. If you put too much, that's very strong flavor. Yeah, so you chop it like this. You cut to small like this. Okay. Okay, John, you have the all the ingredients for the fried wonton. Yeah. Yeah, so this one, so when I do the pan hot, a little bit oil and then put the garlic. When the garlic have a little bit flavor, you can smell it. You can add the pork and shrimp in, cook about 3 minutes, a little bit of water, cook for to see, but like 2 minutes that will be not 100% cooked when it to put the tomato and onion. Let cook about in 7 minutes, that will be done. And then we're serving on top the wonton. This one not deep fried yet. So when we deep fry, that will be look like cracker and a little bit yellow. And this thing, the outside made from wheat and the middle shrimp and pork. And when you eat that, you can feel a little bit egg flavor in here, but not totally 100% flavor from egg. Finally, 1, 2, 3, starter ready. Enjoy it.
And now the fun part. So we open this up. That's rice paper, and you can see how perfect that looks. You stick it into the rice paper. Then we have a homemade pickle, which is papaya and carrot shredded. I can see some red chilies in there, ginger as well. And then here we have lettuce. I think that's basil. You wrap it. Is that too big?
Yeah, so maybe a big mouth will work.
Big mouth, yes.
Okay, so give it to me.
The one with the biggest mouth goes first.
That is some good flavor. Wow, very unique. Thumbs up from me.
Okay, I'm going in for the wontons, which are probably my favorite thing to eat. Perfect. The white rose. It's a mouthful, but I'm sure it's worth it.
Now we make the pan fried prawn with fresh mango sauce. Firstly, my chef will put some fresh of the prawn we already peeled, and then we pan fry it. We turn around, forget a big burn for flavor with a low heat. We have some make the sauce, no? With some garlic. Yeah, get a little bit garlic so it smell nice. Now we add some onion to the sauce. The mango picked from our mango tree on the backyard. At the moment, the mango season, so this mango is good flavor, sweet and sour. And then we add into the sauce, and the sauce accompany to the prawn. It's our best seller in the menu. In shallot oil, this one the mainly for the oil of the fresh papaya salad. Papaya salad here. So we already made it, yes, and the papaya in my garden. So my dad growing in the garden. And this one some fresh herb like some basil, lettuce, the deep fried shallot, our homemade shallot oil, homemade the garlic, our homemade fish sauce, and some peanut. So now I add everything in one and serving together with the mango prawns. Yeah.
That is so my kind of dish.
Put some garlic. Yeah. So we add some the rich. Okay. Rock from the restaurant and that's it, and now and with my homemade sauce too. So now I cook a little bit, raise it in the sauce. Okay, the last one you add some sesame oil. This guy, your main course is served the barbecue prawn with mango sauce and the barbecue pork with carbonara sauce. Enjoy your meal.
So subscribe to our channel, Riding with the Runners, for more adventures from us. Peace.